Dr. Mukul sama ulakan thating ke Jingtrekam ke Meghalaya Public Service Commission ke Blabu ke Jingdu Jingshah ik samla ha ke jela. Hapa crunch kilar pathai ke bom ta ke singi ke apply tri nailar ajab saw. Dr. Mukul ulathere ke Trekam ke Mpsc ban bishar biang ke result ban sabandap shu yaki ke teng ha ke thup ki bapas. Ulaong bakum kani ke Trekam jong kani ke met ke blabin shed de ke tisinchar kari kolong ke Jingshah Rkhie Bein. Emily ka TMC ulang ba haba ki padba ki du ika jishania ya ka rukam trekam ka met jang ka ti sinchar padba kalong ka bama pat ulang ba kat kum ka jingtip jangu ha ka result jang ka district selection committee ka East Garo Hills ki dan language na ka jo ka yeng ki ba pass ya ka nik examine ulang ba amde ban pin bitari ki padba namar ba kanyalam sha ka jing pin bithai ka banyalam pat sha ka jing huri hura
trust in the and confidence of the system. Please ask them, then you will know the reality. So now another development have unfolded where, that which I have posted in my social media page as well. Which law allows this? That reviewing of the result and adding some more new additional names. It's a mockery of the system. So result is what? The result is that the trust and confidence on the integrity of the whole process of recruitment. Now, when people lose confidence and trust in the integrity of the whole recruitment process of a constitutional body, the institution, which is supposed to be able to demonstrate with impeccable integrity in the whole process of recruitment. Now, one after another, you look at the recruitment and the whole result of the DSC of East Garo Hills. East Garo Hills District Selection Committee results which were notified in the recent days, you should get a hold of that and you should find out who are the successful candidates. I was told by the job seekers who have participated in the whole recruitment process that members from one particular family, 3 members of one particular family have passed. So these require us to really go deeper into the whole process of recruitment and take it to a logical conclusion. Whether it is Mpsc, whether it is DSC, it is a matter of great concern, big concern, serious concern. We cannot afford to create a situation where our young generations, where our children will start losing confidence in the whole system. It's dangerous. Very dangerous. So therefore, we have to come clean. We mean the government of the day must ensure that they come out clean in this whole doubt. The doubt which revolves around the whole integrity of the recruitment process. One of the motions, special motions is coming pertaining to the problem of unemployment. So, you look at what is happening in the state. The state is confronted by so many challenges, and the challenges which need to be appropriately handled by the government. Is it happening? No. It is not happening. Why I'm saying so? Because the result of the recently concluded parliamentary election, the Lok Sabha elections, is reflective of that. This result of the parliamentary election, both in Tura seat and Shillong seat, the outcome is because of factors which revolves around the pent-up feeling and the anger that have built up over the years. And this, as I have said again, this does not augur well for the state. It challenges the very core values of our democracy. You should not allow a situation where people will have reason to get frustrated, because the frustration will lead to anger. The anger will lead to all kinds of situation which creates chaos, lawlessness.